Peter has $100 to spend on drinks for his party. Bottles of lemonade cost $2 each, and juice boxes cost 50 cents each. If X is the number of bottles of lemonade and Y is the number of juice boxes, which inequality models this situation? So this is problem number 3 from the exam. Okay, so I'm going to highlight different things with different colors. So first I'm going to highlight in orange that Peter has $100 to spend. So if you have $100 to spend, it means to me that what you're spending, that what's being spent has to be less than or equal to $100. Because I can't spend something, I could spend up to $100. So I could spend at most $100, but I can't spend $110, right? I can't spend $120. I could spend $99, I could spend $98. So what's being spent has to be less than or equal to 100. Okay, then we know that we have bottles of lemonade. So I'm going to highlight lemonade costing $2 each. And juice boxes costing 50 cents each. Okay, so now we have two variables, juice boxes and lemonade. And if I keep reading, we have X is the number of bottles of lemonade. Notice how I'm highlighting in green because I highlighted lemonade costing $2 each. And Y is the number of juice boxes that I have. So I'm trying to color coordinate here. So if I wanted to deal with the amount that the lemonade costs, because X represents bottles of lemonade, every bottle of lemonade costs $2. So I can write this as 2X. And if I wanted to represent Y being the number of juice boxes, we know that juice boxes cost 50 cents each. So I'm going to put 0.05 Y because that's the number of costs for each and every juice box, 50 cents. So now the total amount that I'm spending is going to be the number of lemonade, right? The amount of lemonade per bottle plus the amount of juice box per bottle, right? Because if we remember, this was lemonade and this was juice box. And together we wanted these to sum to be less than or equal to $100 because we can spend less than $100, but we cannot spend more than $100. So this means that the final answer choice for this problem would be option number 4. So you really need to check to make sure that you associated X and Y with the right cost and that it was less than $100.